Hello everyone and welcome back to another session here for live trading here at Candles with Cubicles. Uh, this is the chart from yesterday's session. Let's just look at it once before moving on. Okay, this doesn't seem like chart from yesterday's session. I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. And we were nicked out in this wick. Right now, when you look back, it just looks idiotic. I got in, I had gotten in here. I waited for all this time. My position size allowed me to go through all of this, and eventually, uh, my size increased here in the lower part of this wick. And then there was this free wick. I mean, just sucks because frankly, this was less than 2 seconds. I mean, it took a while for it to completely come back, but it never stood here on top for more than 2 seconds. It just hit and then it stabilized somewhere around here, then came back here, eventually closing here, and it just nicked me out. And after that, it just kept on going further down and down and down, and I was just thrashing around in my bed because based on my entries, I mean, let's just open it now. So pre-market session is done. We will get to it, but for now let's just look at this trade from yesterday. So yeah, so you can clearly see this is my entry, my first entry. I need to add a zoom button in my app as well. So my first entry was here at 300.95. Then my second entry was 300.25, and you can see 302.75, almost 2 rupees it went up, nicked me out, and then it went to beyond 299s. I mean, almost 2-3 rupees movement was there, and it would have added up to at least 20-25 position, if not 30. It is what it is. I mean, I'm trying to not let that affect me too much, but it's hard. It's hard when you're nicked out like that. Maybe if it had happened to me for more than one time, that would be one thing, but this sucks. Yeah, it is what it is, I suppose. I mean, the first minus 184 that happened on day 5, I'm still recovering from that. If that wasn't here, even after this, I would be green on the month after brokerage, but it is what it is, right? This is what it is. These two anomalies did it for me. I suppose it's just something to learn from and move on. Uh, let's see. Okay, now let's set this part up as well. So this was the Nifty chart. This is daily. Frankly, I have no idea right now. Um, it seems to be grinding up, but I suppose we'll figure out once the market opens. Okay, so the market has opened. Now let's see what's what. One, six, three. That's, Okay, so we have few winners here. Mahindra and Mahindra. I need to see this because this guy does not really have normal security here. 131285, 131285, 13285. Okay, so that's that, I suppose. So that is support, I suppose. Okay, just for testing purpose, I need to see this once. 297. Okay, this is working. That's great. Security ID feature I have added just yesterday, so I wasn't quite sure it will work, but I'm happy that it does. Aptus. Nazara. LTF, I'm gonna skip. Maybe not just yet. Nazara. Okay. L&T Finance. I guess what we have. Aptus. 24298. I just need to verify this once. 5435, yes. Yeah, that is what it is. Nazara. Then we have this guy, 24948. 24948. 24948. Okay, let's open LNT Finance. Okay, rest, I'm gonna give it a rest, or rather not. Let's open BLS. Okay, this guy I might not be interested. Not very sure, but yeah, we'll see. So we've got MNM, Aptus, BLS, LTF, Nazara. Let's open RVNL. Hmm. Okay, this is grinding up. Okay. Hello there. We can close Aptus and BLS. Apparently there is Nika. Nika. Okay, man, this is, oh my god. So we have removed Aptus and we have removed BLS and we have added Nika. It is called Nika, right? NY. Okay. What the hell, man? I don't have security ID. 6545 6545. Okay. Now we need this guy is at 1.46. Gives me 21. Then we have Nazara 1.41. That is 22. And this guy ATR is 1.51, 20. And I have all of them have extended like crazy. Mr. Real Vikas is 1.1. I don't get it. How are their ATR so low today? Then we have Nika coming out of absolutely nowhere and smashing all the limits at 17 units. And now we just wait and watch. Okay, what happens when I add, let's say, buy stop here? Got it. Clear all is the way to go. Okay, Nazara is gone. And there is this guy, even this guy. But frankly, I'm liking this one better because of predominantly because of the volume. But this is extended like crazy. Let's remove the pointless things. Nazara is gone. Maybe this guy. Definitely not this guy when I have this guy. What the hell is this thing? My God, Nika. Do I enter? 276.20. 276.20. 33. 41. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping this safe. And I'm out. What the hell just happened? Okay, I have no idea now. This really looks like this was institutional selling. Oh my God. Now that is what you want. Now maybe it will go lower. I don't know, but frankly, considering that I started with 17 shares This is crazy. This will really change the picture for the month. I have not really undone the damage done by this Tuesday actually, but it's close. You know, freak moves, they work both ways. Yesterday, I got wigged out. Today, I got wigged in. And I think I took almost absolutely the reverse to take. Now, obviously, this thing can go much lower, or this thing can just come back, and after a few hours, it can go much lower. But I don't care. Based on what I do, how I do it, this was the best trade I have had in a while. If not anything, then frankly, the fact that I was able to add 4 times. It's been a while since I've added 4 times using this strategy. But yeah, this is great. So I'm done for the day and I'm in the green. That is all you want. I'll see you next week on the Monday. I'm closing this week with the best trade I've had in a while. That's a great way to reset the mindset and whatever doubts I had on my strategy. And this is great. I'll see you on Monday.